Hi guys, my name is Tarrah and my husband and I have lived in a camper full time for over 2.5 years so that we could build our forever home. And this is our empty house tour. We have been working on this home for about 8.5 months now and we are moving in tomorrow. So we're excited to show you everything that's going on in the build. There are still a few things that need some attention as we are still on our punch list. However, we move in tomorrow, so I wanted to show you everything before the furniture gets delivered. These plans are the Huntley 2.0 plans from Summertown Metals. We did do a lot of modifications though with upgrades, moving some walls and adding some cabinetry. So a lot of the stuff you see in here will be turnkey, but with modifications and upgrades. These house plans are 56 by 46, including the porches. This house plan comes with a fully covered front porch that is 8 foot wide. All of our wood on the front and back of the home is stained dark walnut. That includes our gables, trusses, underneath the porch, and our front doors. And I love that I chose the Flemish glass for the front doors. I love it. Gives just like a pretty accent and you can't see right through them. Our siding is in the color County Charcoal, and then this stone is in the shade in the color Kentucky Rustic. We did 3 foot of rock skirting on the front of the house as well as the front posts on the porch. We did upgrade our windows to black, and then we chose the black gooseneck lights to accent. Come on in, I'll show you the inside. As you can see, we have an open concept layout and you're gonna see a ton of those dark walnut accents throughout the entire home. When you walk in, to your left is our living room. This is not a turnkey option with Summertown Metals, but we did add this fan from Lowe's into our living room. And then when you walk in, to your right is our dining room. And once again, this is not a turnkey option from Summertown Metals, but we added this and it is from Lowe's. And then towards the back of the house, you can follow me into our kitchen. All of our appliances in our kitchen are black stainless steel. That was quite a bit of an upgrade, but it looks so nice. So as you come this way, we have our fridge, and we did do this dark walnut encasement in the fridge. This was an additional like $1,700-ish, which I love how it looks. And because our fridge is exposed from this side, I think it really did make everything look a lot cleaner. And then if you'll come this way, we have our oven and our range. This hood vent is custom and it was also around $1,700 extra to put this in. As you can see, this is one of the things that is left on our punch list, which is installing our hood vent. As you can see, we chose white cabinets for our upper cabinets, dark walnut for the lower cabinets, and then dark walnut accents throughout. And then these are the Eyes White quartz countertops that are turnkey with Summertown Metals. They have like a sparkle to them and I really think they look great. These cabinets are from Timberland Cabinet Company and they are all soft close. We did a lot of upgrades within our cabinets, and one of those being a utensil crock pullout. I'm so excited to not have my utensils getting dust on them on the counter and for them to be away. And this was another upgrade, the spice rack pullout. I'm also just so excited to have a good space for my spices. My husband went to Lowe's, bought some wood and brackets, and added these open shelves. This is a cast iron sink from the brand Kohler. We got it from Lowe's, and it actually weighs around 160 pounds. It's super sturdy. I love it. Now for the star of the kitchen is our 8 by 3 foot island. I'm obsessed with it. It's so big. Added a lot of drawers instead of cabinets for extra storage space. We also have our trash pullout right here. I'm super excited to have a hidden trash can. And then we do have an overhang on this side of the island to add some bar stools here. Right here is our back door. On the original plans for the Huntley 2.0, this was a French door, just like the front, but we wanted to add some extra countertop and cabinet space. We also stained this and added the Flemish glass as well. Then you come over here to our pantry. I kind of wanted this to act as a butler's pantry, so I added a full countertop and a bunch of cabinets and drawers in the space. And because we wanted the pretty hood vent in the kitchen, we opted for putting the microwave just straight on the counter in the pantry. And for the last part of the kitchen, my coffee bar, we added shelves over it as well. We have a ton of drawer space and I can't wait to buy a new espresso machine. All right, on this side of the house, we have our kids' room, office, and our guest bathroom. Come on in, this is my office or our second kids' bedroom. Everything in the 2 bedrooms are turnkey with Summertown Metals. We didn't change a thing and we love the French doors that are on the closets. And this room is just a mirrored version of the other bedroom. Welcome to our guest/kids bathroom. This countertop, it looks like it could be a double sink. We opted for 1 sink to add a lot of additional countertop space. And then of course we have our toilet, and we did opt for a shower insert for the kids bathroom. And then back here we have a linen closet that's going to serve for all of our towels and linens and sheets. Right here on our laundry room, we added this barn door from Lowe's, and it actually is soft close and we stained it dark walnut just like everything else in the house. Now come on into our mudroom slash laundry room. This is our second back door on the house, and then here is where our washer and dryer will go. My husband once again put this in, and he also made this bar so I can hang our clothes. And then we added a ton of cabinet and countertop space in this room. And then originally in these plans, the mudroom did not have a sink, so we added one right here. This is a fire clay sink from Deer Valley. And then also in the original plans, this little space did not have a door on it, so we added a door. This is where our tankless water heater lives. And in the near future, this will become my cleaning closet for my brooms, vacuums, all that kind of stuff, and we're gonna put built-ins right here. Now come follow me into the master suite. This is our master bedroom, and in all of our rooms, we did choose black ceiling fans. These are turnkey with Summertown Metals. Now follow me into one of our favorite spaces in the house. This master bathroom is a vision that I have had on my Pinterest board for a very long time, and that is having the double sinks with the drop-down vanity in the center. I do have a vanity drawer going right here, but it's being repaired right now as part of the punch list. These light fixtures are turnkey with Summertown Metals. The mirrors are not included with Summertown Metals builds. These are from Hobby Lobby. Once again with the black metal accents for our faucets. And then let me show you our favorite part of the entire build. Our master shower with double shower heads. This has been a dream project of ours. We put in this dark walnut wood grain tile with this pebble tile here and on the floor. We have 2 niches on each side. And then I put in these double shower curtains. It just makes the room look so much bigger and luxurious. Over here is our toilet, and then you come right here into our master closet. This is our master closet. It is turnkey with Summertown Metals. It's very basic, but we did the black metal rods, and we do plan to customize this with built-ins and inserts in the near future. Obviously, the Chacos have decided to join the video, but this is Winston, this is Waverly, our chocolate labs. But welcome to our outdoor space on the back of the house. Everything you see on the outside of this house is turnkey with Summertown Metals. And just like the front porch, this back porch is also 8 foot wide. Little fun fact, this outdoor table was built by my stepfather-in-law, and he actually built it out of all of the scrap wood that was used to frame this house. And then this door leads back into our kitchen. All right, guys, that is it for this empty house tour on our new construction Barndominium. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe because I have a ton of moving and house project content that's coming up soon. Bye, guys.